All right, family, we are right now on NASDAQ and we are on the weekly chart because we're trying to see, even if it's one or two candles, in fact, one candle that's going to take place this week. We've already opened up for the week, hence it's Monday right now. And as you can see, we're only left with 4 days. So I'm going to be giving you a prediction that's going to take place the rest of the 4 days. And of course, it may also be more relevant even when it goes into the days to come. So I've done predictions where the market, we predicted it and it played up to the T for 4 weeks, months. So this is what has been happening, and I think I did sound like a more of a bearish preacher, bearish market preacher. The market is going to be selling, but that's what has been happening. Hence I've been giving you the structure to say, according to structure, we do understand according to smart money concept. I mean, we've had tons of break of structure right here. So we have structure that was broken. We have another structure that recently broke this lower low. And of course, hence we said that the market breaks lower lows in order, rather, to validate the bearish market. So if it's in a bearish market and it's breaking lower lows, it's validating that we're still in a bearish market. Because when it breaks, we're anticipating, according to the textbook theory, to say we are still going all the way down. Now, initially I'd said this was going to be a take profit area. Okay. Initially, this is the point I've said, but with the momentum that we're pushing right now, I may anticipate the market to go lower. But this right here at 900, 97.23.97, that would be a point where many of us would anticipate a very strong pullback to the upside. But now we want to find out exactly what will be happening in this market, and we want to go all the way to this daily time frame to kind of really see exactly what's happening. I'm not going to be doing a lot of analysis in terms of structure and whole laying out, because that's what I've done in the past and you guys already got the flow. Hence, I've been saying that it sounds like I'm that bearish preacher right now. And we can already see when we're getting into the microstructure of this, we can already see that we are also still in higher lows. I mean, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. We can confidently see this. Now, as we've had this break of structure, can we now say that we need to have a pullback to create a lower high before we can go up, before we can go all the way down still? And of course, that's a theory that I want to submit to you, my learned friends, to say that's what we've been looking for. Whenever the market creates a lower low, it needs to come back into a supply in this case. So we do have a supply that I'm going to highlight, but I'm going to also open your eyes to which other supplies. So we take that, okay? So we have the supply right here. And of course, we have this previous supply that the market actually came into a fair value gap, so it didn't come back all the way. And of course, we have the supply that the market did mitigate to sell that. So let me just show you nicely here what I'm talking about. So we do have a fair value gap that the market, that's why it's sold right here. And of course, we can see other points where we have supplies and the market mitigated that. We have another supply, and of course, the market did mitigate that. We have a fair value gap and the market sold. Okay. And of course, the structure is still quite bearish. We have lower lows, we have lower highs, and of course we just created a lower low, broken it to validate that we're still in a downtrend. So therefore my bias can still be that we're in a downtrend. But what's going to happen in these 4 days that we anticipate the market to move? Now that we know that we have mitigated levels or orders in the market, therefore we can concentrate on this one, and we want to go to a smaller time frame. And I just hope you're seeing the thought process and the procedure that I'm taking, that you may understand what goes on in my mind when I'm in the markets. And we can see if we can go to the 4-hour, it's giving us more data into what we actually can look for, and even that supply now is more clear to the eye to say this is what we're seeing. So I'm going to take it right all the way there. Okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about when I'm talking about supply, go watch the videos that I've done. I'm still going to post part 2, family, of the smart money layout, right? So we can have that supply, we can have this high, of which I do anticipate that the market will take as liquidity, okay? So we can see that we have this high right here, that the market, it may attract the market to take as liquidity. And of course, we also do have a point in the market where we have an imbalance. Okay, So this imbalance is like liquidity void where the market will want to come back to fill it up before they can push orders down. And of course, what's pushing the market up right now, they should be at demand level right here. So we may go to a smaller time frame to kind of really understand exactly. So we can go to the hourly, which is more like a bridge from the smaller time frames all the way to the bigger time frames. So we can understand clearly here what was happening, that we do have a beautiful buy that's happening, where in fact we do have a fair value gap right here. And of course, it came back all the way to 50%. So it's fine. I'll just put it right here. And as we can see, the market, that's why it's going up. We've broken structure previously, but now it used that and took that liquidity. We want to go back to fill some liquidity, or to, in this case, we had a supply where the market dropped that. Now we're going back all the way up to take that liquidity that was created by the market, then therefore anticipate the market to sell thereafter. So I just hope that this takes place in these 3 days. Because of experience and because of the accuracy of this analysis, I do believe this will take place, but I'm not the guru of perfection when it comes to predicting this market. So I want you in the comment section to comment what is your opinion and where do you see the market respectively sold finally, because I've had some people disrespecting me tremendously. Oh no, you're wrong. You're just a beginner. It doesn't matter what I am, as long as you're getting value from what you're watching right now. Just comment down below. Whether you've been trading for 5 years, 10 years, 20 years, it doesn't matter. We're just a community, and the fight is against poverty. Always remember that. It's not against me or any other individual in the comment section. We're fighting against poverty. That's what we want to do. We want to secure this bag. That's what everyone is watching this for. Okay, so this is my focus, where I do anticipate buys for this week, and then therefore maybe towards the closing of this week or next week, we can anticipate the market to start now giving us sells again. Okay, find the market reacting to that and still going higher. So let me know, guys. Let me know. And of course, also, if you're still using smart money concept, let me know what you see based on this way and method of analyzing the market. Anyway, that's it from your brother in the kingdom, Emmanuel Mokhale.